It simply resizes the photo to fit the canvas. Doesn't matter what the canvas is if it's widescreen, if it's some tall, narrow, short, doesn't matter. It's gonna resize it to fit the canvas without actually cropping or restretching the image. Whoa! Apparently now I need to do Photoshop tutorials. Well, let's do this. How to fit the photo to canvas without manually stretching it. If you have a photo inside your canvas, so just like this, see, it's inside. You go to File, you go to Scripts, and you click this Layer Resize According Dock, and look what it does. Hold on, relax, we'll get there. I know which, relax. Wait, look, let's check out really quickly what it did. So it decided to resize the photo without restretching it, so it's not stretched like this, you know, so it looks like stupid. It's actually just resized, so it basically touches all the edges, and it keeps its proportion. So let's say the canvas is not wide. Let's say the canvas is tall. I don't know what's the word, but like this. So it's gonna do the same thing if you do it like this. File, Scripts, and you go Layer Resize According to Dock, and see, again, it resizes the image on the canvas. It's not actually going to restretch it like this. So it's perfect. Now you can actually work with your photo any way you want. How to quickly resize it to fit the canvas without restretching. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, gee, bro, I don't have the option. You think I'm stupid and I won't give you the option? I'll give you the option. So you go to the link in the description, you're gonna open up my website, and there's going to be a download for this script. How do you install it? This was, somebody else made this, I didn't. I'll leave a link in the description how I found about this. We have this file. Once you download the package, extract it, and you'll have this file. Copy it and find your Photoshop folder where you have it, where your Photoshop is. Now, I don't know if you have installed version or maybe portable version, but inside there you should have presets folder somewhere. Open it and then look for scripts folder. Open that folder, and this is where you paste your file. Here it is. I already pasted it. I'll do it again, no problem. Copy and replace, and then you need to restart your Photoshop. And once you go to File and Scripts, it's gonna be there called Layer Resize According Dock. You can rename it if you want to, but yeah, that's what it is. So once again, it simply resizes the photo to fit the canvas. Doesn't matter what the canvas is if it's widescreen, if it's some tall, narrow, short, doesn't matter. It's gonna resize it to fit the canvas without actually cropping or restretching the image. Very useful if you don't constantly want to go like this. I constantly have to do this. I have to do like this and then like this, and oh, I didn't do it correctly and I gotta adjust it a little bit. Annoying, I know. Just for the bonus in this tutorial, but I'll do a separate one. How do you actually resize the canvas to fit this image? So see how the image is like this, but the canvas is, yeah. Well, all you gotta do is go to Image, go to Trim, select Transparent Pixels, because see, I have transparent pixels around the image, and just hit OK, and look at that. Boom, just like that. So do adjust this tool, Image Trim, according to what you have. So maybe you need to use some other options based on something else and trim away something else. So let's say I don't want the right and left, only the top. See, it does that. So adjust this option according to what you want it to do. Alright, sorry if it's a little longer tutorial, but that's about it, man. I'm tired of listening to these 𝙎𝐿𝐿𝐋𝐋𝐿𝐲 guys and the Indian. I'm tired of this shit, man. I was watching some videos, and the guys constantly keeps explaining stuff without telling me what's going on. What am I aiming for here, man? What are we doing here? Whatever. I watched the tutorial from a guy. He tells me, yeah, press Ctrl T and then resize it by just dragging. Really, bro? Really? This is 2020, man. We're supposed to have people these days. Take care of yourself. Stay in the house and watch my videos. Subscribe for more quick tutorials for a bunch of things. I do Premiere Pro, Vegas, apparently Photoshop now, because, hey, what I'm doing here is if I find something inconvenient, I just try to make it convenient. Fix the world. That's the mission here, people. Hop in. There we go. I'm out. Thanks for tuning in. My name was Priest, and I'll catch you in the next mother-freaking tutorial. Or a video. Or shits. Goodbye. And I'll never stop, by the way, because world is full of nonsense, and you gotta solve it, just like I did. There you go. Goodbye.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never